Black Shark Crypto, airdrops, tap bots, trading.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm going to show you how you can add assets or add funds to your Ton wallet. Okay, so this is the wallet that I connected to my Hamster Airdrop. So this is the wallet address and it's the one in my Ton Keeper. Okay, as you can see here, the last digits and the first ones. So this is my wallet that I'm going to be adding funds to, and I'm going to be sending Ton because it's what we use as gas fees on the Ton blockchain. So what I'm going to do is click here on this address so that I copy it. You see also here some tooltip or notification showing you that you copied it. Okay, make sure you copy it. Then I'm going to go to this exchange of Bybit. So I'm going to be sending from an exchange of Bybit under my assets. Then I'll click on withdraw. Then I'm going to be withdrawing Ton. I have like $4. And remember the address that we copied, we have to paste it here. So do that, paste. That is our address. Then make sure the network is Ton. Then this tag or memo is option for the wallet because it's a personal custodial wallet. You're the one in charge of it, so you have all the seed phrases. Then there's no need of this tag or memo. Then here the minimum is 0.2, but as you can see here we have 0.6, around $4. So I'm going to send all that, but they have to remove this withdraw fees. So I'll be receiving around $3, which is 0.5 Ton. Remember, we copied the wallet. Make sure you confirm this. Okay, make sure it's the same as this.
Visit site blackshark.store.
So that's the address. The network is Ton. We don't have the tag or memo because we are sending to a wallet, and I'm withdrawing this. But after them like deducting the withdraw fees, I'll be receiving 0.5 Ton. You click on withdraw, and this will be a confirmation screen or security verification. So they are like, you are withdrawing to the Ton network. This is the address that you're withdrawing to, and this is what you're going to receive minus the, like, after removing the withdraw fees of 0.1 Ton. Then click on confirm. Then in the next page they are going to be sending an email, so codes to my email, and also I'll be getting some code from my Google Authenticator. So this is some security verification. It may be different on your side, but right now I have to send the code to my email and also get the code from my Google Authenticator. So you'll receive an email like this. They will tell you you're withdrawing this to this address, and this is the code that you have to go and put into this area. Okay, so I'm going to paste it there. Then I have to go and get the one from my Google Authenticator. I requested another code for my email. So lastly, we are going to click on confirm.
Visit site blackshark.store.
And the withdrawal will be in progress. Okay, you will be able to see it here that there is a withdrawal being processed. Then we can go back to our wallet and wait for this transaction to arrive. Alright, after some few seconds or a minute, the withdrawals have finally arrived in my wallet. So in case they are like on the day of the airdrop, let me can take off this. So on the day of the airdrop, I'll be able to process or claim my tokens because I have some gas fees in my wallet. So here in case they are to add the claim buttons on that day, I'll be able to process that because I have some little bit of gas fees in my wallet. Peace. That's how you add funds to your Ton Keeper. I'll see you in the next video.
Visit site blackshark.store.